In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass delete emails on Gmail. If your inbox is overflowing or you've got old messages piling up in different places, this quick cleanup will help you get back to a manageable mailbox without clicking through every single message. First, open Gmail and decide exactly where you want to delete from. Gmail organizes mail into labels, which behave a lot like folders. You might choose your starred label if you're clearing out items you no longer need flagged, a specific custom label you've been using, or the All Mail view if you want to remove messages across your account. All Mail shows nearly everything in your mailbox, including archived items, so it's a great place for a broad cleanup. Take a moment to be sure you're in the location you intend to clean, because your selection will apply only to what you're viewing. Next, look to the top left of your message list for the small checkbox above the emails. Click that checkbox to select all messages currently visible on the screen. If there are more emails in that label than fit on one page, Gmail will typically display a prompt at the top offering to select all conversations in that label or folder. Click that prompt to extend your selection to every message in that view, not just the ones on the current page. This is the key to making the delete action truly mass rather than page by page. With everything selected, click the trash can icon along the top toolbar. Gmail will move the selected messages to the trash, which means they're no longer in your inbox or label. This isn't immediately permanent. Messages in the trash are automatically removed after a period of time. So if you spot something you didn't mean to delete, you have a window to restore it. You'll also often see an undo option appear right after you delete, which can quickly reverse the action if you changed your mind. A few quick tips as you finish up. Large deletions can take a moment to process, so give Gmail a little time if you selected a lot of messages. Before you click delete, scan the top of the list to confirm you've targeted the correct label or all mail view. And remember, deleting from a label removes those messages from your account, not just the label you're looking at, because labels are simply different views of the same email. That's it. You've just mass deleted emails in Gmail with a simple select and trash. Enjoy your cleaner mailbox.